I can do this in one take. New door knob. It's not really a doorknob, it's a door lever. It is made by Samsung, and as you can see there, it is the SHS-718. What this has is a combination of digital. I can just go up and touch it and it will allow me to enter in a code, as well as I can put a card right here. I keep it in my wallet. Also, I can do fingerprint right here, and it's pretty quick. And that just unlocked that quick. You can see it says unlocked. And if I don't open it up within so many seconds, it will lock back. But we can go on inside. Those two little things right there, see, it just locked back. Those two little things right there is if the battery should ever go dead and I fail to replace it, I can go buy a 9-volt battery, hold it up to it, and run the combination. As well as if I pull this plate off right down here, there's a spot for a hard key as well. So let's open this up. Let's do this again. And finger. And it didn't take that time. Finger. Unlocked. And just push and it opens that quickly. And so you can see here, if I push this in, it acts as if the door is shut. And now if I let go, it's going to set the alarm off. And I don't want to do that. So I'm going to pull this back. Here, so I didn't know how to do that. So right now I've got it set to automatic lock. So when I push it through, it locks itself automatic. If you're going in and out the door a whole lot, you can simply flip this switch right there and it won't automatically lock. That's the different sounds that you can make, and then that's the hard button you push to program it. And you need to push that button as well as enter a special code in. So here we go, open it up. It unlocks it. It really makes for a nice door. And I pull the door shut and it closes and it just locked. It really, I think, works incredibly well. And it's pretty quick, and that little thing will shut automatically, as you just saw. I highly recommend it. I've had it for about, well, I bought it a year ago, and getting a door made into a mortise cut in is pretty difficult in the US. Was able to coerce a hardware, I'm an architect, I was able to coerce a hardware manufacturer to help me out. I worked with them a lot. I say coerce, I just had to get on my knees and beg, but they helped me out. I've had it physically installed about 2 weeks now. This is Christmas Day, my little Christmas present.